Pharmaceutical production planning plays an important role in helping companies coordinate batch-related activities across regulated operations. It supports the structured planning, execution, release, storage, transport, and follow-up activities needed to keep production moving in a controlled and compliant way. To help you build knowledge in this important area, we have developed the Pharma Production Planner career path. This career path has been designed around 7 key areas that support batch management across the production lifecycle. Through this path, you will learn about GMP Annex 1, production batch management, the planning, execution, and release phases of batch management, storage and transport, and post-market surveillance. Together, these topics help you build career-relevant knowledge for production planning roles and strengthen your understanding of how batch-related activities are coordinated across regulated pharmaceutical environments. As you progress, you will earn a certificate for each completed course. Once you complete the full set, you will also receive a career path certificate that recognizes your achievement across the entire pathway. Are you ready to begin? Activate your subscription to unlock the full career path and start your first module today.